Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Nob Hill Motor Lodge. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Nob Hill Motor Lodge. Nob Hill Motor Lodge has accommodations in Hillsville. Among the facilities at this property are a shared lounge and room service, along with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. At the motel, rooms are equipped with air conditioning, a desk, a patio with a city view, a private bathroom, a flat-screen TV, bed linen and towels. The rooms will provide guests with a fridge. Guests at Nob Hill Motor Lodge will be able to enjoy activities in and around Hillsville, like skiing and cycling. The accommodation can conveniently provide information at the reception to help guests to get around the area. The nearest airport is Roanoke Airport, 84 miles from Nob Hill Motor Lodge. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.